Hello to you all. 2024 was a very exciting year for Archimog Designs and Productions. As you can see there, those are the round neck black t-shirts of my local churches media team. They decided to come through, support me. I'm still at all full of excitement, full of gratitude. It was unexpected because they came through on the last month of 2024. So God was like, I'm turning the unexpectation to an expectation. You know what? Glory to Jesus, if you know what I'm saying. So the method that I decided to do there is the hand painting method. So the hand painted prints was an interesting choice. It was an exciting process, a successful journey, but my feet was feeling the journey. They were hurting throughout the time. So yeah, it's always like that whenever I have to hand paint on any fabric, any material, because I always want to stand up, do the work, finish the work, give the people what they want, So yeah, speaking about the hand painting method, the next garments, jean to jean clothing line that you'll see on the video are the creation of my little sister. She's a fashion designer. So I was honored to be a part of her creative process because I was the fine artist behind the hand painting prints on her clothing line. So the hand painting prints was inspired by the Gospel of Jesus Christ, the stories of the Bible, from the Jonah and the whale story to the clay and the potter and the Lion of Judah, the consuming fire. That one, it was fire itself because it was the showstopper of the artwork prints. Because even my little sister, the owner of the garments, confirmed it. She was like, yeah. Even the people around us as witnesses. So yeah, all of that happened in the last 2 months. Not the last 2 months. The last months. Let me just say the last months of 2024. So 2025 began. I decided to purchase the pink shirts that you will see on the video. I decided to buy and print on them myself, but I used a different method, which is a DTF method, a direct transfer on fabric method. Hey, anyway, that method was a very interesting method. It was an interesting process because it was a quick method. My feet were not hurting throughout the process. They agreed with the journey. So those shirts were to promote Archimog Designs and Productions. I wore them with my little sisters to promote the company. We went wherever we went to give out the flyers to people. I must say, in the beginning, but I was like, me as the owner, I have to just do it. Keep it this way there, like give the people what they want again. Anyway, everything was a success. The journey was a success. 2024 ended with a blessed. 2025 started with a blessed. I was like, let me not entertain unemployment. I registered my business, therefore I employed myself. Let me just do this. Support. My contact details linked to the company are on the last slide. Please come through and let's make 2025 exciting again for Archimog Designs and Productions. Thank you.